Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Solving this Java recursion problem is actually super fast if you follow these 3 simple steps to find the right answer. Let's go through it. First, look at the base case where numVals equals 1. The method checks if the very first element matches our value v and returns 1 if it does, otherwise 0. Next, notice how the recursive call works by adding k to the result of the next mystery call. This effectively moves through the entire array from the back to front. Since k is 1 for every match, the total sum counts all matching elements. This makes option C the final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given information and check your steps carefully.